What up, peeps? Um, I just did a video, um, before this one, right there, where I just unboxed 5 of them. I'm just doing it right now, cause I can't wait. I'm gonna unbox all 3 of these right now. Zippo, let's see, Trevco design, I guess. Yin Yang Dragon. Right, this one's gonna be cool. They're all dragons, so it's gonna be called Dragon Series, I guess. I can't get this thing to open. Awesome. It's cool. Let's take this out. This talks about it's different. I don't feel like reading that right now. Here it is, $29.95. Oh, I don't remember if that's the original price or the price on the website. Let's see. It doesn't show. This is a Yin Yang one. Black matte and painted, I'm guessing. Right there on the bottom it says 2010 Trevco ink. Yeah, shiny, you could feel it. Yeah, the head is right there. I might take off that sticker. See the head. There's a yin yang, dragon flames. Yeah. Right. On to the next one. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Second one. Zippo Trevco Oriental Dragon 21063. 21063. Anyway. Yeah. Awesome. I thought it would be more yellow though. Maybe right now in the light. Alright, this is what is it? Oriental Dragon. Oriental Red Dragon. I thought this would be yellow. Yeah, because on the picture it shows it's yellow. Hold on, let me show you the picture. I'm not sure you can see that right. Right there it shows it's yellow, right? But right here it's not. It's not even like that yellow. That kind of sucks. Yeah, it kind of sucks. The lighter doesn't suck. I'm just saying that. I'm not saying this whole thing sucks. I'm saying like I thought it'll be yellow. $31. I don't know if I'll return it or keep it. I'll probably just keep it because I kind of like it. But yeah, it's red. Almost like wine red. Let's see when this was made. I-13, I think. Yeah. This is a cool lighter. It's just that I thought it would be more yellow. The dragon. But yeah, it is what it is. Third one. What is this? Dragon Smoke? Yep, Dragon Smoke from Trevco. What it is. Awesome. Dang, it's tight. You could feel it. You could feel the dragon. It's yellowish, gold, yellow gold. Maybe. Right here it looks kind of like brown. khaki. I don't know. But right here's like yellow. Not yellow, I mean like gold. Shiny gold, I guess. Black matte. Brass. I-13. Yeah, right there. Sucks, but yeah, it's I-13. This lighter is cool. Yeah, it's cool. So here's the three of them. Right here. Yin Yang, Oriental Dragon, and Dragon Smoke. Look at that. Yep. Alright, well, that's it for those three unboxings. Thanks for watching. Like always, subscribe if you like the video, or if you want to see more, because I will be getting more Zippos later. So yeah, just like, subscribe, and comment. Elites.